So let's first come to our website, which is the peakai.com. And here you can see, here it is. So you can click on add to Chrome. Then it will redirect you to our Chrome web store page. Then you can click add to Chrome, add extension. Then it will redirect to our dashboard. Then here you can see there will be two options. One is continue with LinkedIn and another is continue with email address. So I'm typing our email address, send OTP. So after clicking on verify code, here you can see it is our well. Now coming to the find contact feature. Here you can copy paste anyone's LinkedIn profile URL and you can get contact. Let me copy Kunal's account. Then you can paste the URL here and find contact. You can see there are three outputs. First is phone number, secondary email ID, and work email ID. You can click on reveal. Here it is the phone numbers, then secondary email ID, and here it is the work email.